Jake! Theo!
Amanda.
Elias!
For our environmental leadership project, our team decided to help out at the Frannie Stebbins Refuge in Longmeadow, Massachusetts. The Wildlife Refuge borders the Connecticut River and has a plethora of beautiful trails to help fix up and maintain. We connected with Jim Dorschner, who helped set up our time and gave us tools we would need and showed us around the trails that needed maintenance. The University of Massachusetts and our team acknowledges that it was founded and built on the unceded homelands of the Pecumtuck Nation and the land of the Norwottuck community. Our team acknowledges that Frannie Stebbins Unit was also founded on the land of the Pecumtuck Nation, and these lands and waters have important relations with which we are all interconnected and depend on to sustain life and well-being. These native peoples still maintain connections and relationships of care with these lands today. Our team split into two groups. One group following along the trails and clearing blockages and trimming down encroaching plants and clearing native species. The other group set up sitting areas and built benches for the viewing areas and removed native species from these areas as well. We enjoyed this form of civic engagement, working together for the betterment of a community without an expectation of some reward or payment. We enjoyed talking to the environmental leaders we were working with, hearing their stories and sharing laughs, all while working together on bettering the space we were in. Some people ask, is environmental leadership important? Our team thinks that it is super important, and anyone themselves can become an environmental leader if they just go out and put an effort into making a difference, and put an effort into helping others do so as well.
I don't think he's being rude.
We ran into this really cute dog as well, and we think that they liked our benches just as much as we did.
Sit. No, he doesn't want to sit for you.
We loved our time working with Jim and the rest, and seeing the benches built, trails cleared up, and invasives removed was really satisfying. We all agreed we would want to come back again, as doing the work was the reward itself. Any excuse to get out into the nature around us and spend time outside helping the community is a good one.